A lot of people have been asking about the paint pouring classes and what they entail. I will be putting up some videos in the coming months, but right now I just wanted to reassure those who think that they can only try paint pouring if they are already creative. So you do not need to be creative to try paint pouring. You really just need to be willing to give it a go. Paint pouring is actually really therapeutic. It's very soothing. You simply choose your favourite colours, choose your method of pouring, and there are dozens, and then you pour. You do have to get good consistencies and use particular materials to get the best results, and that's why a pouring workshop is a great way to learn. And once you've poured, the fun still isn't over. When you've finished your pour and it's had a chance to dry, you can then work on top of it just for fun. Once you've got your shapes and colours down on your canvas, it's very possible that you'll see recognisable shapes popping out at you on the page. In my most recent pour, I actually saw a body shape on the page, so I thought, do you know what? I'm going to get some paints and pens out and see what happens. So I started to draw on top of my canvas, following the body shape that I could see, and now I'm halfway through, and I am totally having fun, creating shapes, colouring everything in, finding new shapes as I go. The point is, it doesn't matter if you think you've done a terrible pour, or you've got a pour where you don't think there's enough going on. It doesn't matter, because the pour can be just the beginning, and your artwork can grow and change and become whatever you want it to be. So for anyone who is trying any kind of art but getting stuck, thinking, I don't know what I'm doing, this is rubbish, it doesn't look like anything, please don't worry about it. Don't get disheartened, just put it away for a few days and then come back to it and see if anything feels or looks different to you. And if it does, then just pick up a pen or a paintbrush and go for it. I mean, what is the worst that could happen? The worst is that you might ruin what you think was already an average piece of work, but on the other hand, you might find that you totally love it. And even if you don't like it enough to actually show anyone or keep, hopefully you will find that the act of just having a go and playing around with paints and pens is so therapeutic and actually so much fun. It's almost more about how it makes you feel than the end product itself. So if you are having fun, no matter what your end product looks like, then you are totally already nailing it. So go and have fun doing art, and I'll be back with another video soon.